Hello everyone, dear students. Today we are going to continue with the chapter Glimpses of the Past, which we have started last week. As we read that this chapter is related to the history of our country from 1757 to 1857, and you could see the map of India here, that is during 1857, that so much of portion was covered by British India, and yellow portion is of Hindu states and green portion is of Muslim states. Okay, so this portion was also called as British India, which was conquered by the Britishers. In the first part of the chapter, we saw the picture of martyrs and the famous singer Lata Mangeshkar singing at a function in Delhi, in which she sang the most famous song, "Ae Mere Watan Ke Logo," which became quite famous in those days. Then, second part, the company's conquest, that is during 1757 till 1849. We read in this part that with its superior weapons, the British India Company was extending its power in 18th century in India. Company means the East India Company, and conquest means to conquer or defeat. So the East India Company extended its power because of having superior weapons. And beside that, the biggest reason behind the extension of their power in India was the rivalries among the Indian princes. And the most important, that is the policy of divide and rule, that is food dalo or Raj karo, which was applied by the Britishers. Okay, then came Tipu Sultan, who fought till he died fighting. He fought, he came to know what is happening in India. उनको जब पता चला what is going on, he fought against these Britishers. After his death, people started having different views for the Britishers. How did Indian react to this conquest? Some said that thank God that there is peace in country just because of Britishers. Um, they thought that the Britishers were helping them. Okay, while others thought that the Britishers were enslaving them. कुछ लोगों ने सोचा कि ब्रिटिश हमारी हेल्प करने के लिए इंडिया में आए हैं, और कुछ लोगों ने ये समझ लिया था कि दे केम टू एनस्लेव अस, हमको गुलाम बनाने के लिए आए हैं. ओके, this is the pic of Tipu Sultan. Then third point is the British rule, that is during 1765. At this time, the religious preachers started preaching against the ideas like untouchability and child marriage. It means they motivated these social evils. They started supporting these social evils. उस समय छुआछूत बहुत चलता था. ओके, एंड इवन द चाइल्ड मैरिज, बचपन में ही लड़कों की बच्चों की शादी करवा देना. So such kind of many such social evils were flourishing in those days. Then they forbade crossing the seas and going abroad. Some said all the misery in the world is due to women. Some people said that women were to be blamed for all the misery. Okay, but the truth, or we could say unfortunately, सच्चाई तो ये थी that the people are Indians. Okay, they had started losing their self-respect. The truth was that the Indians had lost self-respect. The Britishers scorned them. Scorn का मतलब insult करना, disrespect करना. तो Britishers Indians को बहुत scornfully treat करते थे. They won't respect the Indians. उनको ये ऐसे लगता था that Indians जो है वो ट्रस्ट करने लायक नहीं, विश्वास करने लायक नहीं है. ओके, क्योंकि जो लोग आपस में ही झगड़ते हैं, द इंडियन प्रिंसेस जो आपस में ही एक दूसरे पर ट्रस्ट नहीं करने लायक है, वो हमसे क्या वफादारी करेंगे. बीइंग मर्चेंट्स, द ब्रिटिश वांटेड टू मेक क्विक प्रॉफिट्स. देयर हैवी टैक्सेस फोर्स्ड फार्मर टू अबैंडन देयर फील्ड्स. धीरे धीरे इन्होंने हमारे इंडियन फार्मर्स पर दे लेड हैवी टैक्सेस so that they could earn more and more profit. Then when they don't pay the taxes on time, what they used to do? They used to put them in a jail. Then the British hated and disbelieved Indians. The main aim of the British was to make maximum profits in India, and for this they imposed heavy taxes on the farmers. When farmers failed to pay their taxes, they would send them to jail. Slowly, inevitably famines followed यानी भूखमरी अकाल जैसी कंडीशंस इंडिया में होने लग गई. Between 1822 and 1836, 15 lakh Indians died of starvation. यानी इस टाइम पीरियड में 15 लाख इंडियंस भूखमरी के कारण मर गए. ओके, देन came during 1772 Raja Ram Mohan Roy. You would have heard about this person. Here is the description. Raja Ram Mohan Roy, who was the founder of Brahma Sabha, Brahma Samaj, and he played a big role in reforming. Reforming means changing, making new, and modernizing the Indian society. So here are some facts about him: that he fought against child marriage, Parda system, dowry system. Okay, you could see here these are the main thing he did. Then he mastered many languages like Sanskrit, Persian, Arabic, English, Bengali and Hindi. He don't believe in idol worship. मूर्ति पूजा में वो बिल्कुल बिलीव नहीं करते थे. And he denounced the caste system. He formed the Atmiya Sabha as a philosophical discussion circle to debate Hindu, Vedantism and many such subjects. Clear? So here Raja Ram Mohan Roy, he came from Bengal and he came to know what was going in this country. जब उन्होंने ये सब कुछ देखा, that how farmers are being exploited, how the Indian preachers, the religious preachers are supporting the social evils, he told his wife Uma, here you could see, he told his wife Uma that different teachers have different opinions. हर टीचर की अलग अलग ओपिनियन होती है. The way of teaching is different, their views are different, but the main purpose is of every religion is same. उनका पर्पस जो होता है वो एक ही होता है, is to teach proper knowledge, give proper knowledge. और हर religion, हर person are of same equality. Okay. He was attracted by science and modern knowledge. वो काफ़ी enthusiastic रहते थे modern knowledge के प्रति and science के लिए. He said that knowledge should be practical and scientific. Okay. So what he did, he called upon the people, means he motivated the Indians that they should feel proud of their own ancient culture rather than following the British, and get the society rid of silly superstitions. He pointed out that all the religions, preach the same thing. He understood the importance of science and modern knowledge. At the same time, he started newspaper. Okay, but the suspicious means शक करना, शकीले, जो ब्रिटिशर्स थे उन्होंने देखा कि इसका इफ़ेक्ट हम पर नहीं आ जाए या हमारी अर्निंग पे नहीं आ जाए, तो व्हाट दे डिड, दे स्टॉप द newspaper in 1823. He crossed the sea and went to England. Then he traveled to England to see that how these people have been so powerful. ये लोग इतने powerful क्यों है? What is the main reason behind it? So for just to see these things, he went to England and he told them. उन्होंने जब राजा राम मोहन राय वहाँ पर गए, उन्होंने ये भी बोला that वी एक्सेप्ट यू एज रूलर्स. हम तैयार है कि आप हम पर रूल करो, ठीक है, और हम आपके एज अ सब्जेक्ट काम करने के लिए भी तैयार है, लेकिन जो सब्जेक्ट का यानी जो पर्सन का जो हक है, ठीक है, जो रूलर्स के अंडर में काम करता है वो उसको पूरा मिलना चाहिए. सो ही इंसिस्टेड दोज पीपल फॉर दिस थिंग. देन नेक्स्ट कम्स द पॉइंट ऑफ ऑपरेशन, that is General Bantic, the time period of General Bantic, that is 1765 to 1835. इस दौरान ब्रिटिशर्स ने एक रेगुलेशन पास किया, एक रूल फॉलो किया, जिसके अंडर इन्होंने इंडियंस को जेल में डालना है विदाउट अ ट्रायल इन अ कोर्ट. यानी व्हाट इज़ इट्स क्राइम, व्हाई ही डिड इट, व्हाट इज़ द रीज़न बिहाइंड इट, ये सारे जाने बिना बस उस पर्सन ने कोई क्राइम किया है, ही हैड टू बी पुट इन अ जेल. सो अंडर इट एन इंडियन कुड बी जेल्ड विदाउट अ ट्रायल इन अ कोर्ट, यानी पूरा हक था कि इंडियंस को आप जेल में डायरेक्टली डाल दो. All the time at that time the British officers in India drew big salaries and also made big fortunes in private business. यानी इन्होंने अपना जो बिज़नेस यहाँ पर फैलाया उसमें काफ़ी पैसा काफ़ी मुनाफा कमाया. By 1829 the British was exporting British goods worth 7 crore rupees to India and they prepared the companies the British prospered, the companies loot while Indian industries began to die. और इस तरह से धीरे धीरे हमारे इंडिया की जो इंडस्ट्रीज़ थी वो धीरे धीरे ख़त्म होती गई, मरती गई. एंड द इंडियन स्टार्टेड बिकमिंग स्लेव ऑफ दिस Britishes. They become completely under these people. Okay. This is the operation during 1765 to 1835 and this is the pick of Lord William Bentinck. He continued to oppress Indians. They passed a regulation. You could see here that Indians could be jailed without a trial in court. Same points are here which we saw in our this text page now. Okay, at that time he was the Governor General of India, Lord Bentinck. Remember this thing. Okay, now this is the sixth point, which is the last point we are going to complete today. Dissatisfaction, that is 1835 to 56. At that time Persian and Sanskrit was being taught in India as a main subject, as a main language, but these people, this Indian Englishmen, they suggested to teach English and forcefully to these Indians, to people, so that वो अपना इंग्लिश क्लर्क्स यानी अपने इंग्लिश मैन तैयार कर सके जो उनके अंडर में काम कर सके एंड विद छोटी सैलरी में, कम सैलरी में, और ये लोग अपने लोग तैयार कर सके. तो सम पीपल ऑफ सम इंडियन सजेस्टेड कि व्हाई नॉट प्रिपेयर दिस इंग्लिश मैन, मतलब हम इंडियंस क्यों ना इंग्लिश सिर्फ अपने इंडियंस की मुनाफे के लिए सीखें कि इस इंग्लिश का हमारे इंडिया में हमारे लोगों को फ़ायदा हो. वी मस्ट एजुकेट आवर ब्रदर्स. हम दूसरे लोगों को सिखाने से अच्छा है कि हम आपस में इंग्लिश सीखें एंड यूज़ दिस लैंग्वेज फॉर द बेनिफिट ऑफ इंडिया. ट्राई टू इम्प्रूव द मटेरियल कंडीशंस. For that we must convey our grievances to the British Parliament. Grievances मतलब हमारी तकलीफ़ें, हमारी जो प्रॉब्लम्स है, हम क्यों ना इंग्लिश जो गवर्नमेंट है उनसे हम बात करें. Now you could see here in the map that by 1856 what was the condition of India. जब हमने फर्स्ट मैप में देखा था, here you could see what was the pink portion here. इतना सा था पिंक पोर्शन, आप देख सकते हो यहाँ पर, ऑफ ब्रिटिशेस. ओके, व्हेन दे केम टू इंडिया. ओके, दिस वाज द पिंक पोर्शन एंड नाउ यू कुड सी हियर इन दिस मैप एज आई हैव शो यू दैट हियर यू कुड सी द पिंक पोर्शन, मच ऑफ द पिंक पोर्शन, यानी कितनी सारी एरिया ब्रिटिशेस के थ्रू हमारे इंडिया में 1856 तक कवर हो चुकी थी. Isn't? So this is the reason behind that काफ़ी कुछ लोग हमारे इंडिया में इस चीज़ के लिए भी रिस्पॉन्सिबल थे. Isn't? And second thing was that the Britishes were much superior than our Indians because of their modern techniques, modern methods. Okay, and this is the reason that they conquered so much a part of our India. So next 7, 8 and 9 part we will do in our next video. Thank you.